All right, everybody. So, man, do I have some big news today. I am getting a new countertop built by Johnny's Journey. She does custom work, and I'll show you why I need a new countertop. Okay, I have a great sink and kitchen setup with my spices and everything, but it wasn't sealed, and I tried to seal it, and you can see what kind of job I did. And so it is cracked. So the sink that area needs to be replaced. This area is above the bottom of the window, so I can't get to that, and things fall back there and I can't get them. And it's getting warped because there's no support on that end. And also, I can't do curtains because they can't hang down to the bottom of the window. So there's a couple of issues there. Plus, like I said, it's warped. And then it is also cracking and falling off of the wall. And when I drive, it just goes boom, 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 boom. And I'm sure that was really loud to you guys. Sorry. And it has been reinforced with some 1x and a couple of T-bars, but that is not enough. So Johnny is going to have to redo the wiring, as you can see, to my electrical. I told her I'm willing to sacrifice this pull-out drawer, and then my propane tanks for my heater and a couple of storage units go down there. And because this is going to be lowered, I'm going to, and my Berkey will be sitting further over here. I'm going to losing my decorations, and I am so totally okay with that to get all of this done. Can't wait to show you what it looks like. I'm going to probably break this video up into days, so it's not going to be like beginning to end project. But here we go, you guys. I cannot wait to see what Johnny's Journey does. So there's more demolition yet to come, but we're making progress. And this is what it looks like outside. Jana has a wonderful little tent. We stuffed everything from the cabinets in there. Well, not stuffed, she stacked beautifully. And the dogs are chilling. I already have the first lawn and leaf bag started for trash. Fortunately, I've got an LTVA sticker this year, so can take all the trash to the dumpsters. We won't, if we have any big boards, I'll take it to the landfill. And then more back here for storage. But other than that, ready for Johnny to come up. They are camped back there. We stayed up here so that she can walk up, but they have some barking dogs, and plus it's her friends, and we just didn't want to intrude, and I can't get across that big wash, I don't think, with my heavy rig, and didn't want to take a chance on getting Phoenyx stuck in the middle of all of this. But I think we're ready to roll. Johnny doing the initial inspection. Johnny, I love you for this.
Oh, you friend.
We are now looking for the water cutoff.
That's why I don't snap it.
We have sink.
Just so I can get it out of my way. It was in my way. Would you like a glass of water?
Scar.
As long as I
Got this in 1 more inch. Got it. Sure. You know what this would be good for? Sticking your head through that hole. You know how they do at carnivals?
Yes. Yes. And then throw pies or eggs at it?
Go out here if you don't mind. Yeah. Throw pies and eggs.
There you go. I'll use that kind of as a powder.
Okay. Look at this. I came up and over.
Rolling.
Rolling. That is amazing. We are headed to Home Depot to the countertop department, and I'm so excited. I see countertops. There she is. Hi. You guys, check out my old wallpaper. This is what
It's original, huh?
Yeah, this is the original wallpaper in Phoenyx. How amazing is that? A switch of tools, and here we go.
Little magic tool. See how it fits, and then maybe I'll just.
What it looks like at the end of the day. We had a major dust storm come through, and I will wash my windows after it finishes. But look how much lower this cabinet is, and how wonderful it is to have a full window. And Bandit is drinking water and just had dinner. My dinner is next, and we will start this over tomorrow. So stay tuned for part 2.